With kids at home, you cannot take any chances. Disinfect and clean your home with the powerful Forbes Vapo Mop from Eureka Forbes. It has a built-in water filter that removes impurities from tap water. It comes with fragrance discs to keep your home smelling clean and fresh. Its powerful 1600 watt flash heating system makes it steam ready in 30 seconds flat. Vapo Mop uses the power of steam to sanitize floors without harmful chemicals. The steam eliminates 99.99% bacteria. For your convenience, the Vapo Mop features a large cleaning head for faster cleaning. Its 360-degree swivel makes it possible to mop hard-to-reach places easily. It also comes with variable electronic steam settings, so you can adjust the steam as per your need to remove tough dirt stains. Tackle different surfaces and floors easily. The Spot Boost brush loosens tough sticky stains, and the scrubber wipes it off completely. And last but not the least, the storage-friendly design ensures convenient parking. Don't bow down to germs. Don't bow down to dirt. Forbes Vapo Mop with steam.